The first 10 amendments to the U.S. Constitution, the Bill of Rights, guarantee the rights of all Americans. Some of the founders believed it was necessary to put those rights down in black and white, to stop the federal government from attempting to violate them in the future. The First Amendment protects freedom of religion, freedom of expression, and freedom of assembly. Together, these rights enable people living in the U.S. to take part in the democratic process by standing up for what they believe in. The Second Amendment, the right to bear arms, was included to empower Americans to fight during the Revolution. Today, it's the subject of intense debate. The third gives people the right to refuse soldiers entry to their homes. It was important during the Revolution, when colonists were often forced to feed and house British soldiers. It doesn't seem very relevant today, but it suggests that people's homes are protected from governmental intrusion. The Fourth, Fifth, Sixth, Seventh, and Eighth Amendments ensure that Americans suspected or convicted of crimes are treated fairly. Among other things, they prohibit the unreasonable search or seizure of individuals or their homes, grant Americans the right to trial by jury in both criminal and federal cases, and outlaw excessive fines or cruel and unusual punishments for those convicted of crimes. The Ninth and Tenth Amendments give room for the people in the states to have rights outside of what is expressly written in the Constitution. As these final amendments suggest, the Bill of Rights provides a framework for U.S. laws to evolve in response to the needs of a changing population. When it was originally ratified, the Bill of Rights applied only to the powers of the federal government, which meant that individual states could pass laws that intruded on people's rights, like those supporting slavery in the past. Thanks to the 14th Amendment, today these liberties should apply to everyone. But in reality, many Americans continue to fight for what's rightfully theirs. How might people living in the United States use the Bill of Rights to define their freedoms?